How to repair the central strut of the Duotone or any other wing. Put inside the valves and open the back of the strut. Open with a screwdriver the little tube that connects the two struts. Then take two lines and note them to the little rope coming out from the leading edge. White on top on the exterior and blue the inside. Gently pull it back till the valves. This last part is do it softly. Yeah. Then you can disconnect the nodes. You can untie both nodes, leaving the white and the blue rope noted so you can recognize where they are. You close one side and you connect the other side to the tube so you can inflate from the main valve. Once it's full of air, you can close the tube and disconnect it from the leading edge. So you have the tube with pressure, full of air and isolated. You can put some water and soap to see if the valves are losing some air. But the main thing is to put it in the swimming pool or in a big bath. So you can see where the air came out. Once you repair the inside, you can connect it again to the rope and pull it gently from the other hand. When it's completely inside, you pull the last 3 centimeters, pull the knot out. Then you put the valves out without pinching anything. Put some soap on the valve so you can connect again the tube.